Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to share about an important topic which is related to our life. My dear brothers and sisters, we know life is not a bed of roses. There is a miscellaneous type of problems, drawbacks faced by the people in their daily life. But the most fact is that what I want to share today, we share our problems to our friends, others, and so many. Even in this modern era, in this up-to-date era, we share our problems with social media like Facebook, Insta, and WhatsApp stories. But it's totally wrong, my dear brothers and sisters. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, إذا سألت فاسأل الله وإذا استعنت فاستعن بالله. If you ask Allah, and if you seek help from Almighty Allah Azza wa Jalla. Because Allah is the best listener. Allah can understand you, and only Allah can solve your problems within a second, my dear brothers and sisters. Alternatively, if you share your problems, your weaknesses to others, to peoples, then believe me, one day they will use it against you when they had enough of you. So be careful whom you trust. Be careful whom you trust, and only share your problems to Almighty Allah Azza wa Jalla. Barakallahu lana wa lakum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.